The Bitcoin price exploded exactly as I predicted. The question right now is, what can you expect to happen now? Because as of right now, we are at critical resistance, guys. So let me show you my trade over here. You know, I have been building up this position since the low 50K price levels, and always, you know, at critical resistance levels, I take some chips off the table and then I scale up again. That's why my entry price went up now, but still a quite low entry price. And if you also want to trade, guys, if you use the links down in the description, you will always get the highest available bonuses. So let's go on here. Let me show you. First of all, we'll talk about the hourly time frame. As you can see here, I told you that you can enter a long position once we break out of this pattern. Yeah, if you would have done so, then you are in a profit of around almost 10%. Congrats, guys. Also, what somehow supported this price explosion is this, that the Fed slashes interest rates by a half point. Basically, they were expected to just drop the interest rate by 0.25 points, but now they did an even bigger move, and this led to this price explosion, so to say, in the stock market and also in crypto, as you can see here. The question right now is, what can you expect to happen right now? As you can see here, the hourly RSI is in the overbought territory. Yeah, what does this usually mean? As you might know, usually if it's overbought, yeah, it cools down, and if it's oversold, then it usually also cools down and goes up again, so to say. Yeah, as you can see, usually if it's overbought, small correction, overbought, small correction, overbought. So I expect a small correction, maybe to the price level of around 62.1k, and then maybe another move to the upside. Yeah, as you can see here, we have to switch now to the daily time frame, because this is a very, very important pattern now. As you can see here, this line has been acting as support since the beginning of June, so since around or more than 3 months. Yeah, so if we would be able to break out of this huge pattern here, yeah, then we could soon see new all-time highs, because the price target would be at around at least 72k. And if you are already so close to the all-time high, then some crazy I mean, let's say investors, let's say, they have fear of missing out. Yeah, the new people come to the market, invest their money because they don't want to miss the next huge pump, and then this could lead to another price explosion, pushing the price of Bitcoin over the all-time high, so over around 74k, and then off to the races we go. That's what usually happens after the halving. As you can see here, the halving of Bitcoin happened here in April, but the price didn't really do much to the upside. But usually, if you go back in time, if you check what the Bitcoin price usually does after the halving, first you have some not significant moves, and then usually a huge move to the upside. That's what usually happens, guys. Okay, so let's also talk about Ethereum. As you can see here on the hourly time frame, we as of right now, we are trading above the previous support. As you can see here, this was support, then we broke below it. I also said here, guys, if you want to trade, you can enter long position once you break this resistance. If you would have done this, then you are in a profit of around, let's say, around 8%, guys. So I hope you did so. Congrats, guys. As you can see here, we are also now trading in the overbought territory, so I expect maybe a small cool down phase. But the positive thing is, this has been acting as support, now resistance, and now we are trading above it again. As you can see here, as of right now, we are above it. So if we manage to stay above the yellow line, acting now as support, then the next price target would be at around 2.5k, then 2.55k, and then $2,620, guys. So that's what's going on right now. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel. If you have any questions, put it down in the comments, and see you